Hey everybody, it's your boy Hectic Lemons. No, it's just Zach. Um, anyway, this is my first video on Ableton Live Baseline tasks. The first task, we're looking at Ableton's session view. Ableton has two different views, being session view, which we are in now, and the arrangement view. Difference between the two is that session view is what is called a non-linear workflow, meaning that you don't arrange, like in this view, you don't arrange your channels or instruments, stack them on top of each other, and then play, section A along here and arrange it how you want it. In session view, it's I guess clip or loop based a little bit more. We'll get into that in a second. We also have over here in our session view, same as arrangement view, you have your browser. The browser, I've got all different categories, got sounds, samples and stuff, different virtual instruments, MIDI effects, audio effects, Max for Live, don't know a heap about that yet, but we'll get to that. Some of the plugins I've installed on my computer, samples, and user sort of defined places, including sound packs, and anything you want to link basically to a folder on your computer. So anyway, back to some of the things in session view. Each of these is a channel or a track, depending on your terminology. Within each track in our session view, you have clips. Each of these little cells in each column or channel is a clip, or can hold a clip. For example, there's a short clip in here containing some MIDI notes on the virtual instrument operator, and if you hit play, it just plays that clip on loop until you hit the little stop button down here. Reason for this, I guess, is to make use of controllers, physical keyboards, drum pads, that sort of thing, and assigning each of these clips to a button or a key on that to do live performances, or clips as well. You can play a whole row of clips, which is referred to as a scene. To play a scene, you click the little play button over here in the master channel. And again, just hitting stop to stop that. What else? So within each of these tracks or channels, you have your clips and your scenes. You also have choose to where to receive your MIDI from. You can monitor or not monitor. I'll set it to auto, which I use mostly. And the audio is being sent by default to master. You have your sends here, so you have reverb and delay up here as default effects that Ableton will stick in. And if you change your sends here and these little dials, that'll send, choose how much you'll send to those effects. I also have left and right panning, and obviously your channel's volume. Input monitoring, so if you're using the MIDI keyboard, and then pushing the button now, getting nothing, so it'll only receive audio when you've got record enable on, obviously. Click the number of the track, that'll mute it. As for solo, and yeah. Also, we have the info view box over here, which is really handy for finding out what things do. For example, hovering over, say, the channel or track title bar. It tells you a little bit of information down there. And yeah, that pretty much sums up session view. There's a few other things I'll just touch on. You got the help bar over here, which I mostly just hide. You can bring it back up again by clicking help up here. And yeah, thank you.